and welcome back.
Greetings, Earthlings! We are back. We are opening more Disney Munchlings, and these are the Mini-Munch duos, and they are, there's color reveal ones in here too.
There is 2 Munchlings and 2 dessert question marks that look like a pie.
Yes, and this is just series 1, and there's 80 Munchlings to collect. We have not started these. I'm terrified if I'm going to want more of these. ... Please
comment, do you think she's going to want more?
Yes. So, we are going to start by opening one. I'm going to open the little door on the front, pull out the little thingies in here. The paper's stuck. Please hold.
There's a lot.
There's a lot here, and there's a bunch of them that say that they're coming soon, so they aren't done yet.
But are they out and they just didn't want to post photos, or?
I don't know, but there is a lot of them in here, including the lavender ice cream, one of her,
So
the
maybe
acai
this
bowl
goes
Stitch.
with the ones.
I see some of them that look like they're Stitch.
One of them definitely looks like this one right here at the top left is obviously a Stitch. All right, maybe they'll smell. We have no idea what we're doing with these.
We have no idea, but there's also apparently color reveal ones too.
But we don't know what we're doing.
They literally
a lot
are
of the
just like
times.
bombing all my senses, and I'm not mad at it. So let's pull one out.
Do they
Oh my god!
Do they smell?
Yes! And this is the Onigiri Donald. Actually, yeah, that's Onigiri, isn't it? Yeah. I think that's
Ooh!
He's very
Whoa!
sexy. Holy guacamole. I could actually smell that.
Ooh.
That's the
Ooh.
Onigiri Nori Donald.
Ooh! That is a strong people.
Yes.
Is it a common?
Yes, I believe so.
He is a common.
But we have one more in here because they include 2, and these are adorable.
Oh no.
They're not adorables, but they're adorable.
Oh no.
Which means they'll probably get one. This one smells like bubblegum. I can smell it already. It's the lavender! Oh my gosh, we already got the Ursula.
We got the big one, and that one is a rare, and this is the lavender ice cream.
Yes. She smells like bubblegum though.
Yeah, she does smell like bubblegum.
She smells like bubblegum.
I mean, not. Yeah.
She's
but she's so cute.
Correct.
Aw, okay, please hold while we get the second one ready. So who do you have?
Not the ones we already have.
You are a
a
terrible guesser.
I give up on guessing. I'm not my mom. I don't have any desire to guess.
Your mom and I are talented on guessing.
I don't care.
Oh, it's a poo!
No, that's not poo. That's a pupper.
Oh, it's a dog. Hang on.
Oh, and it smells like
Oh,
bread.
it is Tramp. It is garlic mini
She's
baguette.
Tramp. Smell it. But we love him. Dee-dee-dee.
I don't get much garlic, but I do get butter.
Yes, put it on the plate. There we go.
And here's a common.
Here's a common, and this one is...
That one is going to be sweet.
You guys made me ink. Oh, oh my god, this is a mochi donut with ice cream on it.
Wow, it's an ultra rare.
What?
It is a mochi sundae pearl.
What?
You were like...
She belongs on here because the shapes are the same. But look at how cute they are. So we have an ultra rare, 2 commons, and a rare. We're doing well.
Oh, I would like 4 of these.
That one smells
fantastic. Give me 14.
Yes. We're on to
Oh.
the last box.
You got 2 plates this time.
Yes, I did.
It is not telling me about the plates and or like the servingware on here. But, oh, I hope you get a Pumbaa. He's pumpkin.
Oh, it's Wally.
You got a chocolate dipped sponge cake.
He still smells kind of plasticky, but there's a slight chocolate scent.
No, there's definitely There's chocolate,
and
but
plastic.
but overwhelmingly plastic, but does smell like chocolate. So dessert. So
and this one is also one we don't have. I can tell by the shape. So.
What is the shape? Is it body language? Is it curly?
Wait, did we hold on? Did we actually?
That is the salmon roll.
That is the salmon roll. So we have.
So you
Donald
have
and Daisy.
What's it smell?
She smells just like Donald.
Smells just like Donald. That one is. Oh.
They smell like they've been at the beach. Not.
They smell like everything but the bagel seasoning.
That's
so
true.
you got 6. You got 4 commons, 1 rare, and 1 ultra rare. What are your thoughts?
I need more of these. A lot more. I would like an army of them. I love these.
Oh no.
They're so stinking cute.
Oh no.
I want all of them. I would like 116 of these in my life.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So what do y'all think's about to happen?
I'm gonna buy more. You're gonna be more that show up. I really like these. So yes, there will be more of these that are popping up at some point, Earthlings. Be prepared, like we are Scar.
Be prepared.